In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the pen tool in Figma. By the end, you will feel confident drawing clean, precise shapes and paths for icons, logos, and interface elements. First, select the pen tool. You can press P on your keyboard or click the pen icon in the bottom toolbar. When the pen is active, your cursor is ready to place points and connect them into paths. To create straight lines, simply click on the canvas to place anchor points. Each click drops a point and Figma draws a straight segment between the last point and the new one. Think of anchor points as the skeleton of your shape. Every point defines direction changes. Corners, or the ends of segments. If you click a series of points around your design, you will get a crisp polygon or line made of straight edges. To draw curves, click, hold, and drag as you place a point. This creates bezier handles, which control the direction and strength of the curve. The angle of the handle sets the curve's direction, and the length of the handle sets how dramatic the curve is. Release to confirm the handle, then continue placing points. Mix straight and curved segments as you go. Click for a straight segment, click, hold, and drag for a curved one. With a few well-placed handles, you can sculpt smooth, flowing shapes that match your reference with precision. When you want to close a path, click back on your initial starting point. Closing the path connects the last segment to the first, giving you a complete shape. If you have a fill applied, you'll see it appear inside the closed shape, and your stroke will run seamlessly around the perimeter. If you need to stop drawing the current line without leaving the pen tool, press ESC. This ends the active path but keeps the tool ready so you can immediately start a new, separate vector. It's especially useful when you are building multiple small shapes or exploratory paths in one go. When you are done drawing and want to finalize the shape, press Enter. This exits the vector network editor and confirms your path, so you can move on to other tools or adjust styling. To refine any vector you've created, double-click the shape to enter editing mode. Here you can select and move points. Adjust existing curves by pulling their handles and add or subtract points to fine-tune the form. Small, deliberate adjustments go a long way toward professional, polished results. Practice these actions, you will master the pen tool quickly. Thanks for watching.